Hi, I just wanted to jump on here and give a specific tip to those of you that don't invoice out of QuickBooks. So, as some of you know, we work with service-based industries, and some of you don't use QuickBooks to invoice your customers, and that is totally fine. We understand it's not for everyone. But for those of you that are using an outside app or billing system, an outside platform to invoice your customers, I just want to give you a few things to think about before hooking that up to QuickBooks. So a lot of these apps or companies advertise that they work well with QuickBooks, and that's not always the case. So a few things to think through. Number one, just process if it's a two-way communication back and forth. Sometimes it's just a one-way communication. So you send the invoice out of your billing platform, and then once it gets into QuickBooks, you can't modify it, or it doesn't copy something if you have a change order in your invoice. The other thing to consider is, is it even necessary to hook it up? Sometimes you have the information, what you need in QuickBooks, the deposits, the sales, and then you have the more granular data out in your invoice billing app. So consider, do you need both details in both places? A few things to think about. And then finally, the product and services have to be mapped accurately to actually have it work well. So the product and service list in QuickBooks is up in your toolbar white box section when you want to modify that and map it into your billing app or platform website that you're billing out of. They have to actually talk back and forth in the accurate manner. So just wanted to give you a few tips on that if that's what you're up to. If you need help mapping, help seeing if it's a good fit, talking back and forth between your two different systems, QuickBooks and your billing website or app, let us know. We're happy to help.